Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Good morning, Rango. Alright, guys, what's up? Finally, I am back. I am glad to be back. And, alright, first things first. If y'all want me to do a whole video of just where I was, what I was doing, what I got from what I was doing, y'all put it in the comments below. I am relying on you. It's your idea, alright? So, down to business. Today, going fishing. Finally, the sandies are hopefully in the Nolan River. We're going to be going into the Nolan River, fishing, going up from the mouth of the Nolan, up through the water system. Feels so good to be back. Let's get on the water. Alright, guys, we are down here at the Nolan River finally. It is 2:05, starting a little bit late. We're going to be fishing from the yaks, and it's a nice overcast day, kind of windy, blowing. I don't know how it's blowing, something like 15 miles an hour. Yeah, we're going to be fishing with small little swim baits, minnow patterns, stuff like that. Some hard baits. We're going to be fly fishing too. Let's hit it. Alright, dudes, we are down here at the river. I'm throwing on the little rooster tail thing, the little minnow type pattern, soft plastic. Got a little moss. And I also have my fly rod, and I have a little white woolly bugger tied on. And on my spin cast, I'm going to put on this little shad pattern rattle trap. A fish just started going crazy over there for some weird reason, and I want to find out why, but we can find out later. Let's get it. Alrighty, boys. We're at the first spot. Gonna be fishing off those rocks. We're gonna pass next to them, drag them on the bottom. Sand bass are breeding this time of year. We just need them. Well, we just need to trigger them to bite. And from that, we're gonna switch over to the spinnerbait with the little minnow colored rattle trap. I think what we need to do is get over there to that shade line. Or at least that's what I feel like we need to do. I'm gonna yak over there to that second rock, set my anchor to it, climb up on the rock, so I can fish both light and dark. On to plan C. The wind doesn't go well with fly fishing. Okay, guys, at the first spot, it was very fruitful. Caught 3 fish, caught big old crappie, a smaller crappie, and a little male sandy. First sandy of the season. That's just at the first spot, and I caught all those on a white woolly bugger, this thing. And I want y'all to put in the comments below whether y'all think I should do a video on how to tie this or not. It is up to you. And so, alright, this is the first spot. First spot's done. Unless we can stay, or unless he wants to stay. Alright, let's go. We're on to the second spot. Let's get it. Alright, guys, my dad has a fish on the end of his line. I wish to join him in having a fish on. So, I'm going to get my little white woolly bugger out. Alright, my dad just caught this nice little sandy right here. Another little male. Again, on the white woolly bugger. It's the 4th fish on that thing. Alright. Well, let's keep going. Alright, guys, had an awesome day of fishing on the Nolan. I caught fish. My father caught fish. We all caught fish. It was awesome. And now, for what y'all have been waiting for weeks, 2 weeks to be exact. If I can get it going. The winner of my giveaway. For our contenders, we have Mike Burke, Peyton Sapp, Survive Nature, Nicholas Singleton, Colton Murdoch, Noah Brockway, Jorge Cardenas, Mike Crawford, Dankanaut, Nate Vlogs, Southern Life Fishing, Noah Hawkins, Trent Hinkle, Clar Twins Outdoors, Michael Keevan, FPA Fishing, Marty Sambles, Stamplekoski, and did I put Deep South twice? Yeah, no, Deep South. On to the winner. Y'all ready? Y'all are gonna see it before me. Alright, and the winner is Survive Nature. Congratulations. Comment below. I will personally comment to you, Mr. Survive Nature. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and watching my video. Boy. Survive Nature, you are lit, fam. And I'm now going to say what the things were. I would have accepted topwater or topwater frog or just frog. I got a jig, little rattle trunk jig. Basically some Senkos, worms, whatever. Soft plastics. Hard bait, rattle trap, crankbait, whatever. And of course, spinnerbait. Gotta have that spinnerbait. That was the reveal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment on this video. And I will catch y'all rednecks next time. Tight lines, guys.